Welcome to Buska. For this demo, I'll use Herman Miller. It's a well-known chair brand. They make high-quality chairs for people who work from home or who sit at a desk all day. Buska reads the website and learns a lot about the company. Then I pick the languages I want to listen in. Here, I'll take all of them. And I pick where my customers are. I'll go worldwide, but I could pick Europe only or just France. Here's what Buska understood about the brand. The ICP, a short description, and the main competitors. Now I choose where I want to listen. On the free trial, some platforms are locked. I'll add YouTube and Stack Overflow and keep going. I fill in a few details about myself. And while I do that, Buska is already working. It's searching the whole internet and every social platform for qualified leads for Herman Miller. And a few seconds later, here's the dashboard. It already found 42 opportunities. Let's start with the first one, the hottest one. Someone asking for office chair recommendations because they sit down for too long every day. I mark it as a good opportunity. Now I want to know more about this person, so I click Enrich. Buska pulls her profile, her online presence, and all the public information about her. That's what lets us write a message that actually speaks to her. Let's generate that message now. So we can see it's a woman, her name is Megan, and she posted this on Facebook just a few hours ago. I could send her the message right away, personalized for her, just by clicking Contact Now. But let's keep going. This is the Opportunities page. Every lead Buska found for your company is here. If you work with a team, you can drag an opportunity into the right column and assign it to someone. And enrichment works on every lead on every platform. Facebook, Reddit, LinkedIn, Pinterest, all of them. Oh, a new opportunity. Posted 2 days ago. Someone looking for a better chair because they have back problems. I'll drag that one into the To Contact column. That's a very qualified lead for me. The Mentions page shows all the raw posts. No filter, noise included. That one's for the curious. Brand monitoring is an AI agent that lives inside Slack, Teams, or Discord. The rest of the product is configuration. Everything can be changed. The signals, the platforms you listen to, your company information, all of it. And one last thing. We're already connected to more than 18 tools and platforms, so you can automate a lot. That's Buska. From one URL to your first qualified lead in under a minute.